Fluent English Practice. Hello everyone. Welcome to the Fluent English Practice. Today's story is about Emma and Jake, two friends who decide to speak only English for a whole day. You'll hear lots of useful phrases that help you sound natural in everyday conversations. I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can listen carefully and practice with us. Let's follow Emma and Jake's English-only day and see what they learn. Hey, Jake.
Morning, Emma. What's new?
I was thinking, I really want to improve my English.
That's great. Let's make today an English-only day.
English only? The whole day?
Yup. No other language, just English.
Oh wow, that sounds hard.
It might be, but that's how you learn faster.
What if I say something wrong?
Then you learn something new. Mistakes help you grow.
Okay, challenge accepted.
Nice. Let's start now. English mode on.
I got up early today.
Really? What time?
Around 7.
That's early for you. What did you do first?
I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and made tea.
Good start.
Yeah, I can't start my morning without tea.
I know that feeling. I'm the same with coffee.
You love coffee too much.
It keeps me alive.
You said, keeps me alive. What does that mean?
It means I can't live without it. It gives me energy.
Ah, got it.
You know, many people think fluency means speaking fast.
Yeah, that's what I thought too.
But it's not about speed. It's about flow.
Flow.
Yeah, fluency means you can keep the conversation going.
Oh, so, it's more about being natural.
Exactly. If you forget a word, just use another one.
Like describing it in a different way?
Yes, that's a smart way to stay fluent.
By the way, I slept so well last night.
Lucky you. I went to bed late.
Did you know good sleep helps with language learning?
Really?
Yeah, your brain reviews everything you studied while you sleep.
Wow. So if I study before bed, I'll remember more?
Exactly. It's like your brain is saving files overnight.
That's a cool way to think about it. So, what did you eat this morning?
Toast and scrambled eggs.
Simple but nice.
Yeah, I didn't have time to cook.
My mom always says, never skip breakfast.
She's right. Breakfast gives you power for the day.
What's your favorite breakfast?
Probably pancakes with fruit.
Yum. I'm hungry now.
Let's grab a snack later. My grandma also tries to speak English sometimes.
Really? That's cute.
Yeah, she says, good morning, to everyone, even the TV.
That's adorable. She's practicing.
She always tells me, practice makes progress.
That's great advice. What's your goal for your English?
I want to talk naturally, like we're doing now.
That's a perfect goal.
Sometimes I still translate in my head before I speak.
Everyone does that at first. Try to think in English more.
How?
Start small. Say simple things like, it's cold, or, I'm hungry.
Oh, I can do that. Even when I'm alone?
Yes, talk to yourself.
Let's get some coffee.
Again, didn't you just have tea?
I need more energy.
Okay, 1 cup only.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Cappuccino please.
What size?
Medium, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all.
That'll be 500 yen.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thanks. You too.
That was great.
Really? I was nervous.
You sounded confident. You've improved a lot.
Sometimes I forget words though.
That's okay. Describe what you mean.
Like if I forget umbrella, I can say the thing for rain.
Exactly. That's fluency.
Or if I forget fridge, I can say the cold box for food.
Perfect.
This is actually fun.
Learning should be fun. That's how you keep going.
You know, when I speak English outside, I feel shy.
Everyone feels that way.
I worry people will laugh.
Trust me, they won't. Most people respect you for trying.
Really?
Of course, confidence is more important than perfection.
Confidence. I'll remember that.
Good. When you relax, words come easier.
The weather's so nice today.
Yeah, perfect for a walk.
Talking while walking feels natural.
It helps your brain relax. That's why conversation flows better.
Wow, no wonder people talk so much while walking. Look at that cat. So cute.
Do you like cats?
Yes, but I don't have one.
Cats are independent.
Independent?
It means they can stay alone and take care of themselves.
Ah, I see. Like free and strong.
Exactly. How do you usually practice?
I watch short English videos and repeat sentences.
That's a great habit. Repetition builds memory.
Sometimes I get bored though.
Then change it up. Watch a funny video or listen to a song.
Oh, so learning can be fun, too.
Definitely. If you enjoy it, you learn faster.
I noticed I remember words from funny videos best.
That's because of emotion.
Emotion?
Yeah, when you laugh or feel something, your brain remembers better.
That's amazing. I'll use that trick. Do you watch videos with subtitles?
Sometimes, English subtitles help.
What about subtitles in our language?
They're okay at first, but don't depend on them.
Depend?
It means rely on too much, like using a crutch.
Oh, so better to use English once later.
Exactly.
How did you learn Japanese, Jake?
At first, through anime.
Really? That's funny.
Yeah, I learned some weird words like battle mode.
That's not very useful.
Nope. Then I watch dramas and talk to friends.
So, practice with real people helped you most.
For sure. That's why we're doing this today. What's your next step?
Maybe talk to foreigners online.
That's awesome. Start small.
I'll try. Maybe in a language cafe too.
Good idea. Just keep going and don't be afraid.
Thanks, Jake. I couldn't do it without you.
You could, but I'm happy to help.
Let's do another English-only day soon.
Sure. Next time, let's talk about travel or future dreams.
That sounds fun.
Deal. See you tomorrow, partner.
See you, Jake. Thanks for believing in me.
Always.